Welcome back to another video and thank you guys for watching. Today I have something really special for you guys. I was able to get my hands on Iberico Pork and this is absolutely incredible. This is basically the Wagyu, what Wagyu is in the beef world, Iberico Pork is in the pork world. Absolutely incredibly delicious, extremely well marbled meat that's going to melt in your mouth. And I'm going to do a little series on this. I have Iberico pork chops. I have what is called the Secreto Iberico, as well as the pork ribs. You know, we have baby back ribs and San Luis style ribs, and we're going to do a video on each of them. Today, we're going to start with the Secreto Iberico. Wow, just look at this meat. It's extremely well marbled. That intermuscular fat is flavor. Iberico pork is a delicacy, and I want to be able to taste that meat. So I'm going to go easy on the seasoning and just add salt and pepper. Today we're going to cook on the Texas-built M-Grill M16. We fill it up with forward charcoal and then sear the Secreto Iberico over direct heat until you've got that char and that crust that you're looking for. I like it a bit charred, so I flip the steak every minute or so to cook it evenly for about 4 to 5 minutes total cooking time. Alright guys, the Secreto Iberico is done. I'm joined by Beto again. Thanks for coming, man. I mean, this is something special. We're gonna do 3 episodes on this stuff. First one is Secreto Iberico. It's basically top blade steak, but it looks like skirt steak to me. It's crazy. The marbling is off the charts. And really, I want to stop talking and let's just get in there.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Let's do it. Come on. I mean, this is incredible. Oh man. This is why they call this Wagyu, the Wagyu of pork. Oh my God. It's juicy. I mean, look at this. Have you ever seen pork that's producing so much juice? It's just running away. Absolutely incredible. It's like a creamy butteriness in this, just like Wagyu. Incredible.
Yeah, there's like layers of fat. Like
Wow.
It's almost impossible to find it like in a regular pork, you know.
Yeah, this doesn't taste like
Yeah.
pork. I mean, check this out.
Looks amazing.
You can see that intramuscular fat right here. Absolutely incredible. Go for it. Wow. This is the way to eat it. And a grilled piece of bread. I dipped it in a little bit in the fat. Oh man. Check this out. Oh my God. This is amazing. Oh, we're gonna have this again for sure.
I'm not having regular pork again.
No.
Yeah.
I'm having what these pigs are eating. This is crazy. This is great. This is awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I sure did a lot, and I can't wait to finish this once the camera's off. And I bet Juan is like dying over there. We're like celebrating, yeah, high-fiving, and Juan is like, what's going on? I mean, come on, Juan, grab a piece. Let's not be mad. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this episode, and watch out for the next couple of weeks. We're going to do one on pork chops, and we're actually cooking right now the ribs. So watch out for that ribs video. We're super excited about it. I think it's going to be amazing. So yeah, I hope you subscribe to our channel. If you haven't yet, please do so, share with your friends, and see you again next week. Bye!